Listen up here. For those of you who are not paying attention to the realities in the crypto space, this video I'm going to play right now is going to show you exactly what will happen to a lot of you, because you people fail to understand that the crypto space is not just all about airdrop. A lot of you are looking for free money. There's no free money anywhere. Yes, airdrop can make some people rich, perhaps. I don't know what rich means to you. Being rich to you could be 100,000 naira, which is less than $100, right? To some of you, being rich is 500k. Being rich to some of you is 1 million naira, which is less than $1,000, right? So I don't know what being rich means to you, but I am bringing this video because I want to draw your attention to the realities of things in the crypto space. Okay, let's watch this video and then we come back. Then I'll tell you one or two things.
So when you pay me my money?
So my brother, I know like you go wait, make hamster and tap swap launch. Now that be my only hope now. Even blue.
Okay, welcome back. Now you see, I have made countless of videos where I have been trying and screaming at the peak of my voice to all of you that there are so many ways to make money in crypto. It's not just all about airdrop. I know a whole lot of people, a bunch of people came into cryptocurrency because of airdrops. Some of you because of Notcoin. Some of you, it was your first time of coming into crypto. You encountered Notcoin. You did the social task and everything, and you were able to make some money when Notcoin went live. Are you getting me? Some of you were that privileged and lucky. But listen, it's not something you should expect every time or every day.
You are watching Obicrypto. Subscribe
AirDrop
now.
will fail you. I've always told you guys that listen, 80 to 90% of all the airdrops that all of you are partaking in right now may never ever launch. And even if they launch, less than 20% of people who participate in those airdrops will actually cash out from it. You will testify when Pixel Tap launched. How many people actually made money from Pixel Tap? Ask yourself that question. Do you understand? And other project that has also launched, how many people, like On-Chain and the rest of them, how many percent of their community actually made money from those airdrops? A lot of these airdrops, between 80 to 90% of them, will not even give you anything. You are just here to make them popular. In fact, they are using you as a cash cow to make money for themselves. That is the honest truth, because they ask you to watch videos on YouTube. They ask you to like their comment, repost, retweet, share their post or whatever. You guys are making them popular, thereby giving them views, engagement, and interaction on social media platforms, and they are making money in thousands of dollars. Now, this is how these guys are making money on your head. And even if they decide to be so genuine as you may want to call it, right? At the end of the day, they decide, oh, let's be fair. Okay, let's be genuine. Let's go live. Let's launch, right? And they decide they want to launch. Only about 20 or 10% of their community are actually going to make money. And this 10 or 20% of their community that will make this money, the money those guys will be making will be coming from the money that the rest of you who did not make anything from the platforms have generated for them through interacting with their content on social media. How do you think skit makers, comedians, actors, and content creators, how do you think they make money? They make money by you people watching their content and engaging and interacting with their content on social media platforms. That is how these content creators all over the world today are making money. And that is exactly what people are using you guys to do right now with airdrops. I'm not saying you shouldn't believe in airdrops. I'm not saying you should stop partaking in airdrops. I'm just trying to tell you that airdrops is not the only way to make money in crypto. In fact, I made a video titled 7 ways to make money in cryptocurrency. I think I will put the video up here somewhere. You can go to my YouTube channel, Obicrypto. Just type Obicrypto, open your YouTube app, type Obicrypto, and in my account, scroll down, you will see the video. 7 ways to make money in crypto. I've already made a video on that. And I think, in fact, as it is right now, I'm even supposed to be making a part 2 of that video, because I could give you like 11 ways to make money in crypto. So airdrop is just a peep through the window into the crypto world. It's not the only way to make money in crypto. There are so many ways. The only thing you need to do is pay attention, watch videos from content creators like me and other guys who are creating content in the crypto space, so you can educate yourself. Are you getting me? Some of you will spend 3 hours watching 16 years old girl dancing with her nipple pointing at your camera on TikTok. You prefer to watch that. Some of you will be watching comedy skits and all of that, and you're laughing and enjoying yourself. It's good. I'm not saying that one should always be over serious, but at the end of the day, let me ask you, some of those comedies you watch, you catch the fun, you enjoy yourself and the feelings. At the end of the day, is it helping you to pay your bills? Is it helping you to pay your house rent? Is it helping you to fuel your car? You are watching this content at the arrangement of whoever created those comedies. Why not watch videos that will impact knowledge in you, financial knowledge in you, so that you can also transfer this knowledge to your son or to your daughter? Do you get what I'm trying to say? Well, the choice is all yours, but I have made this video and I want to let you guys know that, listen, AirDrop is not the only way to make money in crypto. And if you are thinking, oh, you want to rely on AirDrop, you'll be doing AirDrop every now and then. Fine, but I cannot tell you that I have seen anybody who is a cryptocurrency millionaire or multi-millionaire in cryptocurrency simply because they are participating from one AirDrop to another AirDrop. I have never seen any of them. Are you getting me? Rather, those who have actually made money from AirDrops are perhaps content creators themselves, of which right now, the kind of AirDrops that we're having on TikTok, on Telegram and other social media platforms, most of them are even AirDrops that are connected to content creators. Are you getting me? Now, I'll give you an instance. Some of you follow a lot of these big content creators on TikTok and on YouTube. Today, they will tell you, oh, join TapSwap, join Hamster Combat, Aqua Protocol, Gems, On-Chain, all types. Every day they bring one new AirDrop to another new AirDrop to another new AirDrop, and all of you will flood in. Now, if I am to be such a content creator, right, and let's assume I have 10,000 people under me, for me to have generated 10,000 people under me using my referral link to join that AirDrop, the company themselves that has that AirDrop will communicate with me. They will chat me. Oh, you have a large community, or you are one of our top 10 promoters. For that reason, we want to recognize what you're doing and we want to give you so amount as a reward. Or perhaps we want you to promote our platform more and we are going to pay you so amount. Or how much are you going to charge us? I don't know. I'm not supposed to be saying this, but I'm just telling you guys that, listen, AirDrop is not the only way to make money in crypto. And that is exactly what Obicrypto has come to do. I am here to give you guys the truth, nothing but the truth about cryptocurrency and how you can liberate yourself from financial slavery, make yourself rich, and build generational wealth for yourself, your children, your family, and your generations yet unborn. Guys, this is Obicrypto. I'll see you guys in the next video. Over and out.
Let's just be honest. Let's just be real. Yeah, let's just be real.
You are watching Obicrypto. Subscribe now.
This is not a financial advice. Do your own research.